Well, welcome to this special tour. We're going to do an updated version of a tour of Gardener's Cottage for 2024. The last time we showed you around this cottage was filmed almost 4 years ago, and I wonder if you'll be able to spot some of the things that have changed. Staircase still looking very similar, as is the corridor going off to the back of the house. Some of the artwork's changed. We've definitely updated things in this little snug area. Sofas have completely moved around and been extended to give more seating area, overlying or overviewing or giving a view of this rather dominant black screen large TV that transforms this area into a sort of TV room really, or cinema room. Not a full cinema experience, I'm afraid, but we have got a lovely selection of DVDs, family friendly and ready to go if the weather doesn't allow you to get out and about and do what we hope you're going to do while you're here in Norfolk, which is enjoy the beautiful Norfolk scenery, some of which you'll get glimpses of from this cottage. Just look at that beautiful period thatch on the corner cottage in this block at Blakeney. The garden wraps its way around this house. Gardener sits really beautifully in its plot, and the area on the back of the cottage has definitely been transformed since we last shot that video for this channel. The area's been extended up greatly and new patio furniture purchased. We've extended the planting of agapanthus to give you this beautiful display during the summer holidays. But this isn't the principal entertaining room here in the cottage. That's this room I'm just making my way into. Twin aspect French windows allowing you further access into the garden. There's my poodle, behaving himself for once. Good on you, Ted. I like to know where he is, but he's perfectly safe out there as this garden's completely walled and contained, dog friendly, so you've got no concerns about them making their way off and wandering around the village. This room is the principal entertaining room, 35 feet by around 20 feet. We have extended the fridge and freezer to include, if you look in that far corner, a massive, great big new Arga unit, which removes any possibility of you having a fridge crisis when you arrive or have a food delivery turn up. So we've tried to think of everything and make your stay here as pleasant and as easy as possible. And we hope you're going to entertain family and friends here. That's why we've got this massive plank top Victorian pine table as the main feature here, giving you plenty of room to entertain and dine. The central area of the kitchen houses this massive island unit in which we've got a dishwasher hidden and that double butler sink. There's also plenty of storage, and we've provided just about everything kitchen-wise, utensil-wise, that we hope you're going to need during your stay. Even if you choose to bake or roast, it's hopefully on hand and available for you here. Little toast or bread area has been put onto the back area here. This used to be under the wall where the fridge now sits, with some coronation mugs which have now, I'm afraid, gone into storage. They were a bit of a dust trap and more for display rather than use, should I say. Hidden in that central cupboard between the two sofas and the low coffee table is your additional TV and DVD player, so you can entertain and watch TV with the family while you're cooking here on this rather magnificent 4-oven electric night storage heating Arga. Now, we know a lot of you aren't used to Arga cooking, so there's a couple of DVDs and some books in the cottage to try and help you out if you are struggling with the techniques. And it is a bit of an art cooking on an Arga if you're not used to it or are trying to use it as you would a fan-assisted oven. Be prepared to wait a little longer for your dinner, but if you know what you're doing and watch the videos, you should be flying with that thing. Also got an Arga kettle in addition to the electric kettle, and over it some beautiful blue and white historic scenes china. I think a bit of Spode, bit of Wooden Sons. We've got this cottage kitted out with a massive amount of vintage cutlery and china, which we hope you'll enjoy while you're here. And this is just a small selection of it in the cupboard to the left of the TV, with some lovely crystal champagnes and even some lovely vintage pieces of woods there I'm looking and recognising at. forgotten what we've got in this cottage. It's been here now since we purchased it originally back in 2004, but it's had a lot of work done since then, as I hope you will see and appreciate. A nice area for a large gathering to enjoy, and if the weather permits, throw open those doors. They've all got keys in them that you can open this whole room out and enjoy the outside inside. Let's show you the rest of the downstairs of this cottage. I'm twisting around 180 degrees now. To my left is a corridor. We came in first. Little toilet area just tucked in here to the left with a low-level bath, toilet and wash basin, underfloor heating and a heated towel rail. And the first of the downstairs bedrooms here at Gardeners had a little bit of an update since we last shot that video, I think. Bedsides have changed. The lamps have changed. We've brought a bookcase in and still got a TV in that corner cupboard, but we have got these two rather comfy upright armchairs for watching or relaxing TV in this area. If I just pan round, you'll see where I've come from along that corridor. We've got the wardrobe, storage, two bedsides, and then your view from the bed is looking out onto this little private courtyard area on the rear of the cottage. And off this bedroom is the utility room. Rather quirky layout here at Gardeners. Washing machine and tumble dryer, ironing facilities, and a big supply of high chairs should you be travelling with young children. As I know they're bulky to bring with you, so we've provided a lot here for you to use while you're staying. Now let's make our way back along through this bedroom and into, if I just take a left, the four-poster bedroom here on the ground floor at Blakeney. A lovely carved oak four-poster, king size, with a lovely soft mattress on it. We slept in this a couple of times over the years. We do tend to rotate round through the different bedrooms when we come and stay here at Gardeners, when it's not in use or rental by guests. This room's got a large armoire writing desk, actually, the top drawer. It's fascinating that. Do take the opportunity to open it up and explore when you're staying here. TV area and seating area and storage, as you'd expect, with bedside lamps. And off this room is its own private shower room and bathroom. Big corner shower, heated towel rail, underfloor heating, and just sitting within that lovely elephant's breath painted panel wood on the side of the walls is that lovely large cast iron double-ended bath. Peter Scott prints give you that little bit of atmosphere with some sand dunes, more contemporary artwork to make you remember where you are in the world. Now let's go and show you the upstairs here. Not a long walk. Very well designed, this cottage, the way it was fitted together. Not a lot of wasted space in corridors or staircases. I'm going to make my way upstairs now. Painted wooden pine staircase brings you out onto this little landing area at the top of the stairs, and you can go left or right. I'm going to start left, and tucked right round the top in this corner is the first of the upstairs bathrooms. Toilet, wash basin, heated towel rail, and tucked behind, in between the door and the stairs, is the shower overlying this low step-in bath with its shower screen. So good shower, that. Opportunity to bath the kids if they don't like the shower. First of the upstairs rooms, we're going to show you the smallest of the three up here, but still a good size. Big enough to fit a double bed in with a bedside lamp, chair, and a single. So doubles up as a family room. If you've got a young child or baby with you, there's a room in here for a travel cot as well. And this one's got a beautiful aspect overlying the back garden, looking down. And you're not overlooked at all here. It's absolutely gorgeous with the greenery in the centre of the village here at Blakeney. Back onto the corridor, and I'm going to hang a left down to this bedroom. That is a monster bed. 3 foot off the ground, so don't roll out of it. You will impact the floor. But it is an absolutely gorgeous piece of painted oak. Another nice mattress on that. Twin aspect room this. One looking out over the courtyard and the other back towards the garden. Another 2 single beds tucked into the eaves, and in that cupboard you've got wardrobe storage. So a really versatile family room this. Sleeping up to 4, mum and dad, 2 young kids. Lovely aspects over Blakeney in the High Street, just to your left. And a good sized room with plenty of storage, which just leaves the final master bedroom suite to show you here. Again, along the corridor, little seating area here with a night lamp overlooking the High Street, which, as you can see, has a car on it about every 10 minutes. And this is the master bedroom. My favourite room upstairs. Lovely large room with the most gorgeous upholstered period French style bed, carved wooden frames, another great mattress on that. It's really comfortable, this one. 2 bedsides, a little area storage with some books, a dressing table, cottage wardrobe, and again another little seating area if you need to come away and just have a bit of peace and quiet or do a little bit of work. There's a movable table there and another single bed just tucked in here. Again, making this a flexible family room should you have young kids coming away and who don't settle particularly well in a strange house straight away. This has a master ensuite, roll-top bath, sink, toilet and shower area. So a really nice master bedroom suite this. Again, heated towel rails, underfloor heating, Velux windows, and that match boarding, again in the period colours, to try and give you that lovely feel of a modern but comfortable cottage without all the complications of cottage living. I do hope you come and stay with us here at Gardener's Cottage in Blakeney. We've kitted it out with some lovely period and vintage features and furnishings and cutlery and crockery. So a period feel in a modern equipped cottage in a fantastic location here in Blakeney. Thanks for watching.